During our quest to find the best impact drivers, we bought and tested the 13 most promising models on the market to put in a head-to-head, hands-on battery-powered tool showdown. All the top products today are cordless models, making them easy to use, but they are also powerful, which is the main reason to upgrade from a drill. We carefully measured, weighed, and timed dozens of performance test metrics on these products, but we also looked for tiny details, such as the usability of the bit holder, as well as the pattern and effectiveness of the target lights. We judged the comfort and ergonomics of each driver and beat the heck out of them by effectively maxing out their torque capabilities. With the ever-evolving quality and technology of the newest and best tools, choosing the right model for the job can often be daunting and confusing. Our team has done the groundwork to take the headache out of the process of shopping for you, comparing the best circular saws and all of the best drills on the market. If you're in full yard cleanup mode, check out our picks for the best cordless leaf blowers. There are numerous options for cheap best impact driver, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable best impact driver from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Links in the description box for each products mentioned. Number 1. Best 12-volt impact driver Milwaukee M12 Fuel 255320. The Milwaukee M12 Fuel is the best impact driver we've found in the land of 12-volt battery-powered tools. This impressive little driver essentially fits in your pocket. Not only is it compact, but it's also lightweight, easy to use, and comfortable to hold. Our favorite thing about the M12 Fuel is that it kept up with, and, in several instances, outperformed drivers with substantially more girth and voltage. To top it off, Milwaukee offers a fantastic array of tools built on the M12 Fuel platform, so you may only need to buy one battery and charger for a fleet. We found a few small flaws while testing the M12 Fuel. Despite its lightweight and tiny size, it is still very loud. Also, this model is far from the most affordable impact driver we tested. If you don't mind a tool that's a little more cumbersome, it might be worth getting a cheaper model that may not be able to squeeze into the tight spaces that this one can, but ultimately offers the same performance. Number 2. Ryobi P238. Ryobi is a name synonymous with both quality and affordability, and the Ryobi P238 is no exception. This was one of the fastest drivers in our lineup and one of the most inexpensive. It's incredibly fast and provides ample torque in our tests, and we love the bright LED light and the magnetic plate that you can toss your extra fasteners on. No more now, where'd I put that screw? Moments. The P238 is one of the longer impact drivers in our test fleet, which can be a drawback for certain applications where you may need to get into tight spaces. It also has a shorter battery life than other contenders in our review. Still, we think for the money, it's hard to go wrong with this offering from Ryobi. Leading the pack in both our speed and torques tests, the Ryobi P238 is an enticing option for ambitious deers that want as much power as they can get from their impact driver. However, we had some gripes with this tool, namely that its battery lasted only slightly more than half as long as some similarly priced top impact drivers. Number 3. DEWALT 20V Max Impact Driver Kit, 1/4 inch. Those looking for enough driving power to build a garage or shed need look no further than the DEWALT 20V Max Impact Driver. Aimed at both professionals and enthusiastic deers, the tool's powerful torque, compact design, and light weight of just 2.8 pounds make it among the top options for an impact driver. Additionally, this cordless impact driver includes an ergonomic grip that offers good control and 3 LED lights to brighten dark corners. As a longtime fan of DEWALT tools, I was expecting good things from this 20-volt impact driver and I wasn't disappointed. It features a one-handed hex chuck to easily switch between bits, and it comes with a 20-volt lithium-ion battery and charger. That's a pretty good deal. A slight downside is the 1.5 amp-hour battery, which did not last as long as I felt it should have. I got just over 40 minutes out of the battery at near constant use. Number 4. BLACK+DECKER 20V Max POWERCONNECT 1/4 in. Cordless. From a company with a more than century-long reputation for producing quality tools comes the BLACK+DECKER 20-volt cordless impact driver. I'm familiar with many of the tools that BLACK+DECKER makes, but I have never used one of its impact drivers. I was pleasantly surprised by the power, 1,400 pounds of torque, and a high rotation speed of 3,000 rpms. The driver pulls quite a bit of energy from the slightly lackluster 1.5 amp-hour rechargeable battery, so I only got 30 minutes of consistent use out of the driver before I needed to recharge the battery. I found the BLACK+DECKER impact driver very comfortable in hand, and its non-slip rubberized grip added to its ease of use without hand fatigue. With the battery in place, the driver is well balanced with the weight falling almost equally between the head and the battery compartment, which I feel helps stabilize the tool during use. Number 5. Metabo HPT18V Cordless Impact Driver WH18DBDL2Q4. As a fan of the former Hitachi power tool line, I was excited to test the Metabo HPT Impact Driver. As of 2018, Metabo became the new name for Hitachi tools, and if this impact driver is any indication of the brand's future, I won't hesitate to choose more power tools from this line. The Metabo impact driver offers a host of features aimed at the professional, but that shouldn't put off the serious remodeler. The tool delivers immense power with 1,832 N-pounds of torque and a 4,000 N triple hammer action to drive screws and fasteners home in no time. With 4-stage speed adjustability for maximum precision, the tool reaches speeds up to 2,900 RPM. Weighing 2.9 pounds, this impact driver was very comfortable to handle. It is neither heavy nor bulky. And LED light and a charge indicator are convenient extras. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.